kung ano,
Sige.
kung i-turn ko.
Hindi kung mo lang, i-turn mo habang pinapakinggan mo yung music. Malalaman mo yan.
Masahin ko to.
Sige.
This
With
is
your
my
eyes.
bestie. She is a badass lady who luckily came to my life. She is beautiful, intelligent, and caring, and has slowly made her way into my life. Ang ganda ng instrumental ng song.
Diba?
Hmm. Wait lang na kaya this little picture book is something that you can look back when we're apart. It's a little rough looking, but I hope you like it. Ang emotional naman ng song.
Love confession.
Wow. Parang Valentine's to, no?
Yeah.
Valentine's Day and yung Terra Nova. Ay, Terra Nova?
Yeah. Yung Terra
Terra
Vega.
Vega. Terra
Terra Nova.
Make good memories. Oh, teacher RM. You got this, love. Oh, yung quotation mark. Very you. Nahihir ko yung boses niya. So me, manifest.
Sino magandang nurse?
Ito yung recent na. Wow, galing. Yung recent natin.
Pinaka-recent pictures.
Ay, after Boracay, ito nangyari.
Yes.
Nag-date agad. Like, parang day after ata yun eh. Tama ba?
Day after.
Tama ba?
Oo.
Romanticize your life. As in, we should. Muntik na nga eh. Inisip ko lang kahapon. Like,
Yung ano?
feeling ko hindi ko ma-romanticize yung college. Kasi wala kayo sa picture. Yung yung friends ko na naging, parang
Sabi
hindi
nga,
ko alam, like, paano mag-start again. Parang ganun.
sabi nga ni
Mahirap
Daniel
isipin yun
Espanto,
pa.
kahit sa anong bagyo.
Hmm. First road trip and cinema together. Alam mo lang kung tulog neto. Hindi ako nakatulog niyan.
Haggard.
As in, kaya yung mukha ko, puffy talaga.
Epic yung time na yun.
Tapos, first bar together.
Yeah. The blush.
Na-over doon, ano yung blood. Siguro sa lighting, di siguro nag-jury.
Yeah, nag-work talaga
Parang
siya sa lighting.
hindi talaga natin na-expect. Too much lighting. Editing na
As
pala
in,
natin.
grabe yung exposure.
RM plus RPH. Medical girlies, let's support each other through this. So, naman natin sa... ito yung pinuntahan natin sila
Yeah.
sa practice nila, cheer dance.
Din yun. Yung pumunta sa covered court.
Oh, sana
Travel.
let's travel together. I'll take some time. It'll take some time, but I'm excited to see what the future holds for us. Dream location Europe. No. Let's go.
Let's go.
Kaya nga, siguro hindi lang tayo masyadong maging pressured.
Yes.
Kasi, not all the time, nasusunod tayo. Hindi pa
Totoo
tayo
yan.
independent fully. Kasi, nasa picture pa yung parents.
Baby steps.
Yeah. No matter the challenge you've been in, I plan to do the same thing.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, this was 1 month ago. Dun sa Capitol.
Yes. So what?
Eto. Kailan nga ulit to?
Last year.
Ano yung ginawa natin?
Wala lang. Regular hangout. Nag-walk tayo sa Capitol, bumalik sa bahay.
My last page, I want to tell you again that I'll be here. Keep going. All this hard work will be worth it in the end. Um, ang optimistic,
It's
positive
optimistic.
energy. Ang ganda ng storyline. Storyline. It's okay
Ako
if you
plan
can
out.
be a warrior right now. Choose to live. Don't stay with people who ruin your peace. Yes! Grabe. It's okay if you can't be a warrior right now. Choose to live. Don't stay with people who ruin your peace. Meron ka ba in mind?
Na ano?
Eto. What? Ano yung nasa isip mo nung sinusulat mo to?
Patingin nga ulit ng last page.
Choose
Ano
to
yan?
live. Don't stay with people who ruin your peace.
Hindi. Yung naisip ko kasi niyan. Kasi diba, kung sa before mga experiences or mga sarili lang, parang more on this chapter, parang gusto ko na positive energy nga, na
Mm.
piliin natin yung kung ano feel natin, that will make us happier, stronger, and to not dwell on the what ifs, or yung mga malungkot, or yung mga masama, mga ganun. Parang
Tama.
basta masaya ka, at napupuntahan mo pa rin yung daan na gusto mo sa buhay. Yun ang importante.
And also yung people
That
na
you bring into your
surrounded ka.
life. Yeah.
Mm, really important talaga.
Yeah.
I learned it the hard
That's why
way
I
talaga.
said you don't have to be a warrior right now because you have the rest of your life to be.
Mm. In the last
Mm.
page. Thank you, love.
Thank
Love you,
you.
Jillian Rapinger. I love you too.
Well, thank you. Pero alam mo, kasi why pinili ko yung name, yung kanta na iyo.
Hmm.
Kasi, di ba, sa origin nito, yung sa parang sa teleserye. Kasi yung sa teleserye na yun, kasi different yung backgrounds nila.
Ano ba
Meron
yung
ka.
teleserye na yun? About Sun?
Can't Buy My Love, kay Bel Mariano at kay Donnie.
So, love story siya.
Love story siya.
Hmm.
Si Belle, galing sa mayaman na pamilya, mga Chinoy. Habang si Donnie,
Ah.
parang iniwan siya ng